Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. So from past several days we all are stuck in our home and missing being out in nature. The outdoors are still waiting for you, and at this time you can't get moving on the roads, you can't go for sightseeing and all. So in this video I will tell you 3 outdoor virtual tours to get back to the nature which you can experience right now. Number 1, Virtual Yosemite. It is the world famous national park. Virtual reality photographer Scott Hinton shot panoramas of the magnificent Yosemite National Park to create a virtual tour experience. The team also captured the sounds of each distinct environment to make it feel like you are there. You will start at Glacier Point high in the Nevada mountains. Each panorama point has an audio track of both natural sounds and people sounds. You can let the camera auto-rotate to give you a full 360-degree view of the area or pan and scan manually. Most panoramas also let you zoom in and out. Red markers in each image indicates other point you can jump into it. If you want to quickly move between points, use the panorama index or the map. The virtual Yosemite tour is also an excellent lean-back experience. The website randomly switches to new locations every 2 minutes. I'll recommend visiting it through a browser on your smart TV and then let it do its magic. Number 2, Son Cave. Explore the world's largest cave with National Geographic. Son Cave was discovered pretty late in a remote area of central Vietnam. Before it was run over by tourists, a team from National Geographic captured 360 degrees interactive photographs and virtual reality content to let you explore. Move around the virtual cave with your mouse, keyboard or touchscreen. On certain phones and tablets, you can also move the tablet in any direction to look around. It's very cool, almost like the tablet in a window into the world. On the left you will see a short description of what you are looking at. On the right the entire Son Cave map will be there. Click anywhere on the map to move quickly, but it's obviously a better experience to take the guided step-by-step tour. The team captured the sounds of each unique environment within the cave to add to the virtual reality feel. Some of the spots have super high resolution images over 500 megapixels. The app notifies you when you are in such a position so you can zoom into minute details of the fascinating environment. Number 3, the Faroe Islands. You can control a hiker through their webcam. Like most tourist hotspots, the Faroe Island had to shut down due to coronavirus pandemic. But the administrators have come up with one of the most ingenious way to do remote tourism. They have created a virtual tour much like a video game to let you explore the 18 islands.
My name is Guri Højgaard and I'm the director at Visit Faroe Islands. A few weeks ago, we had to ask tourists to not visit our 18 small islands because of the coronavirus. This was a difficult but necessary decision. Thank you all for understanding. Now that we don't have any tourists in the Faroe Islands, we have a lot of extra time on our hands. So we thought that we would give those of you who couldn't visit as planned and everyone else a chance to visit the Faroe Islands through us. We will be fitted with a camera and give everyone access to control us using their mobile phone. When you press forward, we move forward. When you press left, we turn left. And when you press jump, well, we jump. Each trip will begin in a new location, and as a virtual tourist, you can ride, sail, and even control a helicopter. So you can literally sit at home and control a helicopter in the Faroe Islands. Where we end up is up to you, as long as you keep us out of harm's way. You can take a free virtual trip at visitfaroeislands.com or follow our adventures on Facebook and Instagram Live. In the meantime, we look forward to welcoming you back to the Faroe Islands in real life.
It's an amazing virtual exploration of the islands. The whole thing is a fun interactive experience that works on both computers and smartphones. Visit the website to see a countdown to when the next virtual tour begins and set an alarm. If you think you got some information from this video, please like this video, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.